friends, and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Art Club. My name is Miss Jessica, and I am so excited for our project today. We will be creating optical illusion drawings with regular paper and markers. So let's get started. I have a square piece of paper today that is very important, and we're going to use a straight edge. You can use a piece of paper, a ruler, or any straight edge to create 6 lines, all with one central point. And then we are going to create convex and concave lines on every other space. Convex is a line protruding out, whereas concave is pointing inward to the central point. So every other section will have a convex and concave lines, and it will eventually kind of resemble a spider web. And then you're going to take a dark color or a Sharpie marker and color in every other section of the line section that you have created, and that will give the effect of this beautiful optical illusion. And you can leave it white or color it in with some markers. You want to make sure all of your lines are really crisp and your colors are very saturated, so go back and color it in a second time. And here I am using some markers to layer and just creating kind of that gradient effect. And there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun following along to this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if it was easy or hard. Bye everyone, see you next time.